The Golden Secrets of Drawing, number 20. Drawing is therapy. Drawing is therapy for an overworked brain in a chaotic, overstressed world. Drawing switches the brain into creative flow mode, letting all the nagging cares of the day slip away. Drawing is a bit of me time. Drawing is a well-known therapy that is used in psychiatry for safe communication of deep and hidden feelings and attitudes that might be hard to express verbally. Relax. Relax. Let it all out in a drawing. Thanks for watching. Now go and pick up a pencil, any old pencil, and draw something. How about a coffee cup with steam? Make sure you are subscribed to the Shoe Rainer Drawing channel and keep coming back for lots more drawings and advice. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.